Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, thank you. I'm also fine. Welcome back to our online classes. Yes, in the previous class, we were discussing about 12 hours clock and about 24 hours clock. Now, in this class, we will start with the time interval. That is very important. Time interval. Yes. AM to PM or PM to AM, like that time interval. Yes, over here one example. Here, study this one. Raja went to here. Yes, Raja left school for school at 8:15 AM. He left school for at 8:15 AM and he left school. Yes, he reached school at 8:50. He reached school. He left for school. Left for school at 8:15 AM. Then he reached school at 8:50 AM. Then what is the time interval? You should calculate the time interval between this. He left at 8 AM. He reached at 8:50. Then very simple it is. You should subtract 8:50 or you should subtract 8:15 minus 8:15. 8:15 you subtract from 8:50. Then you will get the time interval. That is very simple. Here hours, 8 hours and 50 minutes and minus here minutes column, it is hours column, then minus 8 or 15 minutes. Now we can get 5 minus 0 minus 5 is 5, then 5 minus 1, this is 4. Why 0? 10, it is 10 minus 5 is 5, then 4 minus 1 is 3, 8 minus 8, 0. How many minutes? Raja took 35 minutes. Raja taken 35 minutes to reach school. We can write Raja took 35 minutes. 35 minutes to reach school. This is 35 minutes. It is the time interval between 8:15 and 8:50. Like this, we should calculate the time interval between the given times. Yes, here you will have some activity. How much time do you spend for each of these activities? You should say the time. How much time do you spend for each activity? That interval you should write. First one, here activity I begin, I end, I take time. The time interval. Here A, first activities and I begin. I begin and I end. When will you end? Time taken. Time taken. I take time. I take time or time interval. This is only what time you take. No, that is the time interval. Yes. Your first activity is take a bath. When will you start to take bath? Yes. Are you all taking bath every day? Yes. Then what time will you begin? 7:15 or 7:30. Yes, right, 7:30. When will you end? Right, 7:40 or 7:45. Yes, will you take up to 8 o'clock, half an hour? Yes, 15 minutes. Then 7:30 minus 7:45. How many minutes time you taken? 15 minutes. These all in minutes only. Yes or no? Yes. How many hours? How many minutes? Here dash hours, dash minutes. 0 hours 15 minutes. You taken the time 0 hours 15 minutes. That's B. B, the activities. I get ready for school. Get ready for school. Yes, when will you get ready? 8:30. Yes, 8:15 to correct 8:30, or you can write 8:40, 8:25. Then you will leave school. You will leave home at 8:30, like that. 8:25. Then write here 0 hours. How many minutes? 10 minutes is the difference. 10 minutes. Yes, sixth one. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. At what time? Yes, 8:25. When will you get ready? Then 8:35 or 8:40. 8:34, 0 hours 10 minutes. Here 8:25 is subtracted from 8:35. Yes or no? Here AM this is. When will you? It is in AM. Yes or no? AM. Yes. Then here I reach school. Reach school. When will you reach school? Yes. That is 9 AM. Then here we can write I begin. When will you begin? 8:40 or 8:30. 8:40 I will begin. I reach school. When will you? 9 AM. Then 0 hours 20 minutes. 60. 8:60 minus 40, it is 20 minutes. Like this time interval you should calculate. Next, play time in the evening. Play time in the evening. Yes, 5:10 PM. Evening means post meridian. PM, yes, 5:50 PM. How many minutes? 5:50 minus 5:10. Correct. 0 hours 40 minutes. We can play maximum 40 minutes. Next, F. That is homework. When will you start? When will you begin your homework? Yes, 6:30. And when will you complete it? 8 PM. Next, how many hours? Here, this is 30 minutes and it is 1 hour. 1 hour. 7 o'clock to become 7 o'clock, 30 minutes. 7 to 8, 1 hour. 1 hour, 30 minutes. 1 hour, 30 minutes. Yes, G1. That is watch TV. When will you watch TV? Are you watching TV? Yes. What time? Right. 6 PM to 6:30 PM. That is half an hour. 0 hours. Yes. 30 minutes. That to news and all. You should watch the news and all. Like this activity again. Two more order. Help my parents. When will you help? How many hours will you spend? And read books. When will you read the books? At night. 9 up to 9. 9 half an hour you can read the books. That activity you can write in the table. Page number 150. To write the time interval. These all you can write it. Clear? And after this we can calculate AM to PM or PM to AM within 24 hours. This is AM to AM only here. See here, AM to AM interval, PM to PM to PM. But we'll have AM to PM like this. 25 AM to 8 PM like that. We'll calculate. That is 24-hour clock. It's very simple. Now write these neatly in your notebook and as well as in your textbook also. That is page number 150. Page number 150. You should write it. Very simple this. To calculate the time interval, how much minutes you spend to calculate that, subtract the time. When will you begin? That you subtract from when will you end. From the ending time you should subtract the beginning time. Then you will get the interval. Very simple it is. Here AM to PM. First one, set the time, find the interval between the start and the end of the each activity. Yes, question number 1. Set the time. Yes, first you should set the time. Hands are not given. Find the interval between. Find the interval between the start and the end of the activity. The start and end of the activity. A. Yes, here school begins at 7:30 AM. Clocks are given. You should write school begins at 7:30 AM and school ends at 1:45 PM. Then you should find the hours minute. To subtract it, you require in columns. Yes, very simple. Here first 7:30. It starts at 7:30. To become next 30 minutes. To become next 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes. This 30 minutes. And then 8 o'clock. 8 to 1. 8 to 1. AM to PM it is. 8 to 1 means yes, we can have how much? Interval 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4 hours and 1 again. 5 hours. Then 5 you write 5 hours. Then yes, plus we can have 5 hours. Yes, next 45 minutes. Write 45 minutes. Now add. Yes. 0 plus 5, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 means 70 hours. 70 hours can be 1 hour, 10 minutes. Then 10. 15. Then it is 6 hours. Yes. 6 hours, 15 minutes. 6 hours, 15 minutes. Calculate. Or you can add 12 for this one. 12 means 13:45. 13:45 minus 7:30. 7:30. Convert into the 24 hours clock PM. Yes, 1 plus 12, then 13. Then you can write 5, 1, then 3, 13 minus 7 is 6. 6 hours 15 minutes. Like this, both also we can calculate. We have the answer, very simple. That is, you can convert into next. You can convert into in a 24 hours clock. Then we can have, yes, 13 minus 45. 13 hours 45 minus, this is plus adding or like this you can calculate. Write this one also, very simple. That is 13 hours 15 minutes 45 minutes minus 7 or 30 minutes, then 5, 1, 6. Answer is 6 hours 15 minutes is the our answer. One more shall I solve now? Yes, very simple. This we should not get confusion. The interval. Next one is, I get up at 6:30. I go to bed at 10 PM. Yes, get up at 6:30. I get up at 6:30 AM. I go to bed at 10 PM. Yes, very simple. Here, now see, this is for calculation, separate hours and minutes. Here minutes, here hours. Yes. First, early morning. First here 10 PM means you should add 12 for that. Add 12 to, yes, 10, then it is 22. 10 plus 12 is 22. 0 minus 630. 630. Here 0 means half an hour is left. 60 you think it is of 60. When will you write 60? 0. This is 6. Then it is 1. 1 means, yes, 1 hour, 21 hours. This is of 21 hour. 2 hour it can be converted into minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. That's why. Then 0 minus 0, 6 minus 3 is 3. 1 minus 21 minus, yes, 21 minus 6. That is, we can write 15. 11 minus 1, 6 is 5. 1 minus, this is 15 hours 30 minutes. What's the time interval? 15 hours 30 minutes. The time interval is. Here the time interval is 6 hours 15 minutes. 6 hours 15 minutes is the time interval. Simple now. Yes. 2 more are there that we can calculate. Amir, his father Amir goes to office at 9:45 AM. He returns home at 7 PM. What's the time interval? That we can calculate very easily. Yes. Now these two also I will solve. Very simple. Write these two neatly in your notebook. Take a picture of a clock also. Draw the picture. Set the time they told. Yes. Here, my father is he told he goes to office. That is Amir goes to office at what time? 9:45 a.m. and he returns to home. Amir returns to home, or he returns at home at 7 p.m. Yes, you should calculate the time interval. Very simple. This is also, yes. Minutes, hours, yes. First one, 9:45 a.m. he leaves the home. Then he returns back at 7 p.m. For next, we can calculate this 7. This convert into, yes, what? 24 hours clock. 24 hours clock means 7 p.m. is nothing but 7 plus 12, that is 1900 hours. Yes or no? This 1900 hours we can write 18 hours 60 minutes. 18 hours 60 minutes we can write, no? That only we will write here. 18 hours 60 minutes minus 9 hours 45 minutes. Then it is 15. Yes. Then it is 9. Total how many hours? What is the time interval? Therefore, the time interval, the interval is 9 hours 15 minutes. The interval is 9 hours 15 minutes. Simple, no? Yes. Next one. B. Yes. We left for Pune at 10:15 a.m. We left for Pune. We are going to Pune. We left for that 10:15 a.m. We reached at 3:45 p.m. We reached at 3:45 p.m. Then you should calculate the interval, time taken to travel up to Pune. How much time you spent in traveling? Yes, for that this is hours, this is minute. Now this 3:45 convert into hours. 24-hour clock, 12 plus 3, 15, 45, 15:45 minutes. Then 15:45 minutes minus 10:15. Then what time? 5 minus 5, 0, 4 minus 1 is 3. Yes, 5 minus 0 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 hours 30 minutes. What is the time? 5 hours 30 minutes. Simple, no? Yes? Okay. We will go with the next question, that is very simple. Here, find the time interval, departure time given and arrival time given. First, Rajdhani Express leaves Mumbai Central and reaches Baroda. This is from Mumbai Central to Baroda. It departures 11:45 a.m. and arrives at arrival timing is 5:15 p.m. Where it arrives? Yes, in the Baroda. Then calculate 11:45 a.m. to 5:15 p.m. Very simple. Same like this only. Convert that p.m. into 24 hours clock. Yes. 5. Here departure time. Departure time. Here arrival. Yes, 11:45 a.m. 5:15 p.m. Very simple. 11:45 a.m. means this should be same. You change this one to 24 hours. 5 plus 12, 17, 15 p.m. This is not p.m. 17:15 minus, yes, 17:15 minus 11:45. Then we can have the time interval. Very simple this. Yes, 5 minus 5 0, 15 minutes, and convert here you think 75 minutes. 70 minutes minus 40 is 30 minutes. Here reduce 1. This is 6. This is also 7 you think. 70 minutes. Yes or no? Then 6 minus 1 is 5. 1 minus 1 0. 1 hour, 5 hours 30 minutes. 5 hours 30 minutes is the time interval. Like this you should calculate. Clear the arrival timing and departure timing. When it will arrive, yes, it takes a 5 hours 30 minutes time interval. Calculate the time, find the time interval like this. Again 2 are there, 3 are there. Air India flight departs from Delhi and arrives at Dubai 10:30 a.m. to 1:40 p.m. That you can calculate. If you get any doubt about these 3, you can solve question number 3. Solve these story problems. We will see in the next class. We will see these stories. Only these 3 you solve. From question number 2, B, C, D. Find the time interval. Okay. With this, I will conclude today's class. And remaining stories and time conversions together we will see in the next class. Okay. Thank you.